What's up, guys? We are back here. It's another late night in the Parker Performance Garage, and we're bringing you another episode of What's in the Box?
Alright guys, first up tonight is these UPR Billet aluminum vertical links. These will be going on our personal cars. UPR sent them out for us to do some testing and appreciate the support. So super excited to have these on. They're awesome, they're lightweight. The install is pretty simple and easy, so great addition if you're trying to go fast. These UPR vertical links can be bought on our website at parkerperformancefl.com. Go check them out.
Okay, so next up, we've got a box here from NX. That's going to be our friends over at Nitrous Express. We are a Nitrous Express dealer. This is a special piece because it comes from a personal friend of ours, Mr. Mark Lelchuk out in California, who's got the Silver EcoBoost that is chasing down the first ever 8-second, 150 mile an hour pass in the quarter mile for an EcoBoost Mustang. So we're super honored to be a part of that program. We've come on as a sponsor to him and helped him with some parts and such. Anyway, this particular box comes from him because he's actually going to have us sell it. And this is something that we do offer for some of our customers. It's consigning some used parts, obviously at our discretion. This is a brand new in the box NX full meth kit. So for you guys that are looking to make a considerable amount of power with your factory EcoBoost and you want to stay on 93, this would be a great addition. And if you wanted, obviously, to add the meth, you would get tuned for that with our friend Ryan at PD Tuning. So this kit looks like it comes with the controller, all the wiring. This was a good bit of the wiring here. So I'm gonna guess that's probably only maybe a 1 gallon tank if I had to guess. And then the pump is in here as well. So again, we do offer NX products here. We offer some used parts consignment if we can help you. This particular kit will be coming up for sale soon. So this will only be available through personal message on Facebook.
Last but not least is the new BMR Lightweight Crash Bar. These are substantially lighter. If you're looking to save some weight, Crash Bar is a good spot to lose it. These are really light. Tip, if you have a 401A with adaptive cruise control and adaptive headlights, this will not work as of right now. They are in R&D for a bracket, possibly to still run that, but good to know before you buy it and have no way to relocate your stuff yet. So this will be going on one of the cars that's going fast. We also did a BMR K member on it, so those also fit super well and save a bunch of weight.
So that wraps up another short episode of What's in the Box. Listen, as always, we thank you for your support. We appreciate your comments, your likes, your shares. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time.